Eventually, the operation was called off because they were on a ratio of 2.5 bullets per emu, which just wasn't fiscally even working. Which wasn't working, even with all the leftover ammo for World War
Yeah,
One.
yeah.
So Australia waged war on the emus, and they actually lost. After this whole escapade, reporters found out about it
Yeah.
and just fucking destroyed the
Yes.
Australian military. Like, one, that's dumb that you tried to
That
just
is dumb.
completely mow
Yeah.
down all the emus.
Yeah.
Two, you couldn't even beat
And
20,000 emus.
You literally lost.
Yeah, you literally
You
lost to
lost
the
to
emus.
flightless birds.
So you know what they ended up doing?
What?
Just put up really strong fucking fences.